McCoy here with Firehouse Education and this week's Ask Annissa video column. And this week, our question is a very interesting one that I've never been asked before. And it came in via email. And it's from, I believe it's Daryl. Hopefully I didn't butcher your name. So Daryl said, "Hi Annissa, hope you are well. How are you? I have a question for you. Would you ever use clean bric-a-brac, heavy clean high density line items to an insurance adjuster? I sent one and he said they never approve heavy clean high density. He would approve heavy clean, but not both. When would you use high density? Thank you for your help." Well, Daryl, I am doing very well, thank you. I hope you are as well. Thank you so much for the question. Thank you so much for watching my videos. And I'm really happy that you find them valuable. So to answer your question, I don't do my billing for content by using bric-a-brac or by the line item in Xactimate. I bill hourly, and then I also bill like for all of my materials and supplies. So it's kind of hard for me to give you a direct answer on that since that is not the type of billing that I do. I feel like you do much better by adjusting your labor burden and doing your own custom pricing, if you will, for labor in Xactimate and doing it hourly as well as with your materials and their markup. The clean by the line item or the clean bric-a-brac or clean toaster is so cumbersome and such a pain to bill that way that I really feel like it's not efficient at all when doing the bill to begin with. And number two, you don't get paid as much. So, some items you get paid nicely and then other items, you don't get paid much at all. And I just feel like it's kind of all over the place. So I don't use bric-a-brac period to do my billing or the line items. I do, as I said, hourly and then adjust my market conditions according to what my labor costs are. So for instance, in Xactimate, they do cleaning technician with chemical. And depending on where you're at, that price is going to range. Maybe it's $32.73 an hour. Maybe it's $41.52 an hour. But I'm not going along with those pricings because they're usually way too low for the labor burden that I need to pay my crew. So I will adjust that hourly rate and make it custom. Sometimes it's $48 an hour for a cleaner, including cleaning chemicals. Sometimes it's $55. Depends on where I'm at in the area and what my labor burden is. So I hope that answered your question. So also, I want to make sure that you know that when I do my billing, I also bill for a supervisor, okay? There's always somebody running that content job that is making the call, whether it's a salvage item or a non-recoverable item, and walking through all the steps and procedures with my client. So I do bill for supervisor hourly as well. All right. So Daryl, I hope that answered your question and kind of gives you some help on that. I'm not extremely 100% sure on the high density versus heavy clean in the clean bric-a-brac category in Xactimate. If you click on that and then click on the description or about, it should give you some more detail. But I'm going to guess that the heavy and high density is probably meaning the same thing. I'm not 100%, but that's probably why that adjuster said, hey, I'm not going to do both of these. Okay. I hope that helps. If you have any more questions, Daryl, on billing, please don't hesitate to let me know. And if any of you watching the video have questions in regards to billing for content cleaning and or structure cleaning, please don't hesitate. Shoot me an email, Annissa@firehouseeducation.com. And I just might feature you on next week's Ask Annissa video column.